Let's choose the two-way mirror group redundancy level. In this configuration, we get 16 different groups with just 2 disks in each group. This configuration has a 1-to-1 ratio set for the disks, with 1 disk used for data and 1 for mirror. How does this affect our calculations report? Well, as you see, the Z-Pool read and write performance index ratings have increased to 9.4 and 6.2 respectively. However, the space efficiency has decreased to 50%, and the expected annual Z-Pool reliability has also fallen when compared to the RAID-Z configurations that we used before. The storage calculator can also allow us to clone pool configurations we've used previously, or to add a pool with an entirely different configuration. Let's try out the last option. We'll set it to a RAID Z3 configuration with 256 terabytes of usable data storage and 4 terabytes of single disk capacity. After the pool has been configured, we can see that all the details for it, as well as any other pools we have, are available in the summary and comparison sections. Besides reviewing this information, you can also easily update the summary list by, for example, removing a Z-Pool configuration, just like in the video. On the bottom of the page, you can also find a list of recommended licenses, including product licenses, storage extensions, and support licenses. Something else that makes the calculator page great is that you can download your calculations as a PDF file or save them in your portal account at any time and at your convenience. All you have to do is enter the name of the document. Now, for example, OECSP single node, and press the Download as PDF button. Now, let's have a look at what this document actually looks like. In this document, you can see that we have all the details of our configurations, as well as some additional information. The additional information can be found at the very end and consists of definitions for the various charts and graphs found in the calculations.